Hey YouTube, just another quick video. This is my second video. I should I should remind myself to actually film fixing things. It always comes to my mind after it's done. But this is a new sprocket from my chainsaw. It don't fit. They sent the wrong one for my chainsaw. Now it had each one of these spurs, I guess you would say, had two very deep grooves, so deep in fact that it was grooving the bottom here, and since this didn't fit, they sent the wrong part. I did ask for the right part, but they sent the wrong one, so I needed to get a job done. So I took the sprocket off my chainsaw. And I said, well, I looked up some tried to look up some videos on YouTube about welding them up, if you could do that. And I did see one video, maybe there is more, but I could only find one. And it wasn't very, it didn't really say much. And, so I tried it on my own, and I welded them up with the MIG welder. And then I grinded them down with a like a Dremel tool, and you could almost see where you just match the profile, grind it down to it. It looks proper. You can see that when you look at it, and made sure that the inside here was nice and smooth, and well, it's been working perfect. So maybe it'll last longer than the original. Who's to say? So yeah, it's just a quick video on if you are thinking about doing it, go ahead, because you're not going, whatever you got to lose. But it can be done, and I'm not an expert welder by any means, not even a good welder. So if I can do it, you can do it, and yeah, go ahead. Why not? Save yourself a little money and finish the job. Thanks.